G'day legends, we finally got the keys to the new place. Did a walkthrough with all the renos on the old house, so I thought it might be fitting to just see what we're going to start out with on this one. I'm not even going to make you wait around for the results. You should though, and subscribe. We've got a bathroom and a toilet. And mostly that's just paint with a bit of creative lighting. But wait till you see my first go at tiling. It's not as hard as you think. I reckon it turned out okay. We even got keen and waterproofed it. After the video was taken, we got the flooring done in there as well. Turned out really nice. We'll just come up the back stairs, I reckon. We'll start up here. Already took the door opener off that stupid door because it likes to slam on you. We've got our upstairs toilet, our laundry, comes out onto our little deck. 6x9 shed, 700 and something squares. We obviously getting Jim's mowing in tomorrow to suss that out for us and knock it down to a manageable level. Give you an idea of how hectic the lawn is and why I'm getting someone else to deal with it. Getting bloody wetland wildlife in here. We've got our creepy little hallway. Watch out, Poppy. We're going to get new floors throughout. There's our horrible kitchen. We're going to have a bit of a crack at some vinyl. No, it's not vinyl. Laminate painting. Get it all primed up and painted. We're going to paint the whole show. Everything's getting ripped off, all the doors. Done. All the PowerPoint's going to get pulled out. That's today's job. Get them all bagged up so we can just spray paint the whole thing one colour. Get rid of this ugly lipstick on the trims. Yeah, so fresh paint throughout. Turned out all right, I reckon. think I'm obsessed with this colour. Don't worry, that's not two different colours. That's because I sprayed the light and it's doing that. But anyway. Hey chicken. How did we go? Beautifully. Our gross bedrooms, gross carpets, gross bed. Just pulled that box aircon out there. That was a biohazard in itself, so actually brought the bin up into the house to drop it in there because pigeons had made a nest in it. I'll insert a bit of a picture of that if you can handle it. One of the other rooms, another thing where we're gonna have to do some of that laminate painting. Another bedroom, another bathroom. Getting new air cons throughout, new floors, new paint. We're going to do a full electrical fit out, get all these light fixings up to scratch and our fire alarms. Don't mind all the noises, our ghost likes to slam doors. This is the dining room. Probably going to have to end up with some splitties around the place somewhere. I don't know where to put them in a house that's like a maze. But anyway, that's the new project. Continue, Captain.